Only 2 sheets of paper can make the recent super hot light painting. And the production process is very simple. A minute can learn. Seize the time to make a best gift before Father's Day. The first method, you need to prepare 2 sheets of paper. An ordinary A4 paper and another can use a thicker cardboard or photo paper. Print this foreground image onto A4 paper. Then print the lighting photos on heavy cardstock or photo paper. I have organized all the pictures in the file. If you need, please come to my homepage to download. Print them and cut them out, then merge them like this and you're ready done. Turn on the light to try the effect. Looks good, so I need a cardboard fixed it. They can be glued together with. Prepare an A4 size photo frame like this one. It must have a depth of 1 inch or more. Stick the LED strip on the bottom. It can put dry batteries or rust interface. The last thing to note is to keep the light and painting distance, otherwise the LED beads will be exposed to the painting. Like this, stick double-sided tape can be. Congratulations on completing the last step. Come and enjoy your work.